Well, hi-de-ho everybody. For those of you that are new or don't know, I am Skip, and this is basically an update. Update and a coverage on my trip to ACME. First, I got some shop cards, shoutouts. The day before I left for ACME, I had gotten a couple cards in the mail. Got this one. It's from Rick, Heartbeat Model Shop. Awesome builder, great guy. You need to go check out his channel if you don't already watch his videos or subscribe to him. You need to go subscribe to him. Awesome stuff. Go check him out. The other one I got in the mail was Vincent Weston, Models from the Dungeon. Another cool guy. Does some cool stuff. Builds a little bit of everything. He does, besides cars and stuff, he does do some like sci-fi and figures and things like that. He's got a real eclectic channel. Really neat channel. Go check him out if you don't already. Check him out and subscribe to him. Very cool. Enjoy their videos. So that was before ACME. Now I spent last weekend at ACME. Got to meet a bunch of great people. Hung out with a few of them. I met up with Tom, Rambler69, and Rick from Heartbeat Model Shop. Hung out with them most of the time. And a friend of theirs, Brad. He's another awesome builder. Some great stuff he builds. Them and their wives. I was batching it that weekend. My wife had to work, so I was there alone. But got to run around with them. Had a great time. Got to meet a lot of other YouTubers. And let's see. Let's do. Let's see. Rick Zinck. Good old Rick. He was the first person I swapped shop cards with. And Rick Zinck from Skeletal Remains. So if you don't already with him, you need to go check him out. He was handing out skeletons. And I don't know what I'm going to name this fellow yet. I'm assuming it's a fellow. Anthropologically, I guess by the pelvic bones, it is a male. Don't have a name for him. So for now, he's just going to be John Doe. And he may be a relative of mine. He wears a foil hat. Got some nice dental work. He's even got a gold tooth. You can see that. I don't know. But the foil hat definitely protects him. So thanks, Rick, for that. Had a great time talking with Rick a couple of times, and great guy. I gotta move on. There's a whole bunch of people. PapaDan, HobbyTime with PapaDan. Got one of his tokens. This is his, I guess, for his channel token. So I got to make some more of those holders. I think I'm going to make them out of red for channels, because I also got another one from Bryan at BG. Excuse me, Bryan, BG Model Workshop. Mr. BG. Got to meet him. Again, awesome people there this weekend. So Mr. BG and his wife Mrs. BG, got to talk to them some. It was great meeting them. And I met Monty Davis, I guess aka Santa Claus. Got one of his shop cards. Again, another awesome builder. Cool channel. If you don't already subscribe to him, you need to go check his channel out. And Cliff at GM Mechanics Scale Modeling. he's got new shop cards. He was handing them out at the show. So I got his newest shop card. See if I can get the light not to glare on it. Very cool. So another great guy, Cliff. Go check his channel out. Build some neat stuff. These guys all had models on the tail. I didn't take any models to the show. I guess I probably should have. These guys all had model, and I'll tell you what, I got to step up my game. These guys are all awesome. What else? There was a whole bunch of people I met. Hopefully I get them all in here. Oh, James Morris. It was great meeting James. Morris Custom Model Shop. Neamon Chambers, Captain Nemo. Got to meet him and his wife. Great to meet him. It was great talking to him. Dan, Munchkin Modeling Man 72. Met him and his wife, girlfriend. I believe it's his girlfriend or wife. His partner. Great people. Enjoyed sitting there talking to him a few times. Frank, Frizzo's Model Cars. Got to talk to him quite a bit. Great guy. Who else was there? Let's see. There was Bryan, Got Fuels Model Car Garage. Awesome time visiting with him. It was great meeting him. There was Tim from Throttle Power. It was awesome to get to meet with him. I didn't get to talk to him hardly very much, but I did get to meet him. Hopefully he'll be there next year. Another great guy. Great channel. Let's see, who else was there? Craig, MuttModeler. You know, another great builder. So you need to go check out MuttModeler. I'm going to try and put all their channels links down in the description. So if you're interested in going and checking them out, if you don't already subscribe to them, look down in my description, and hopefully I'll have everybody I mentioned down there. So yeah, Craig, MuttModeler. Tommy, Colonel Reb. I met him towards the end. Excuse me. I met him, I didn't really meet him until, I guess it was Saturday night after the show. Saturday night, or maybe it was Sunday morning before I was leaving. Saturday night, I guess it was, at the hotel. Got to meet him. There was another gentleman I met. I hadn't subscribed to him, or there was several people I met that didn't have channel, or I didn't know about their channels. Another great guy I met, Gaither, had an awesome Cadillac model there on the table. Great builder. Enjoyed meeting him, and I think that was pretty much everybody. Hopefully I haven't forgotten anybody that I talked to. If I did, forgive me, please. I think that was it. I know there was many others I talked to. I never got their names. Great time, ACME. I'm glad Tom from Rambler 69, good old Tom, he encouraged me to go when I met him over at Modelpalooza, and he kind of talked me into going up there, and I'm really glad I did. I'm definitely going again next year. So thanks, Tom, for talking me into that. You didn't have to twist too hard, but I'm glad you did. Really enjoyed the time up there. Hopefully I'll see some of you at maybe JaxCon. I've looked into going to JaxCon. You know, I haven't been to very many shows. This ACME was the biggest show I'd ever been to. Modelpalooza was probably the first, what would be considered a big show that I'd been to, other than some local little things. So had a great time. Great people, great builders. I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody again and meeting more people. So that was that part of it. What else did I do? Oh, I came back with stuff. You know, got to come back with stuff, right? I didn't really need any new kits. I really didn't plan on bringing home any kits. but I did pick up a couple. I came across this one, the Mobius 66 short bed. I have the long bed 4-wheel drive, I have the flare side, and I have the 65 service truck. But I was wanting the short bed. You know, you can find them online a little bit yet, and but they're always, you know, a little more than I was wanting to spend. This one was a good price, and I knew I was never going to get it anywhere else, especially online with shipping and everything. It was going to be even worse. So I picked that up. Really glad I found that. And another one I had been wanting to get for a while, and it was kind of the same situation. This Gremlin modified stalker. So I've got some other ones of this series, but I have a thing for gremlins for some reason. Don't know why. And this is a gremlin that I wanted to get. I know there was a gremlin I built when I was 8 years old, when I first started building models. It was a funny car. It was the red, white, and blue one. That would have been in like 72, I think. Yeah. Anyway, maybe that's why I like the Gremlins. I remember the commercials for Gremlins on TV at that time. So I got that. That was it for kits, because I really don't need any more kits. I've got way more kits than I can probably ever get built in what's left of my lifetime. I did pick up some resin stuff. Found some Jimmy Flintstone things. Found a HHR body, and I got this because I have an HHR. Yeah, I drive one of these turds. It's fairly accurate. There's a few things that are a little off about it, but you know, of course, it's resin. It's got a lot of cleanup, but this way I can maybe build what I'd like my HHR to look like, or which would be kind of close to what it is now. I need to find wheels for it now. I have chrome smoothies with the cone center caps, so if I can find some wheels that are similar to that. And I guess I have to find well, I could scratch build stuff, but this is supposed to work with the Revell PT Cruiser. You're supposed to use that chassis and interior with it, but we'll see what I can do with this. The other resin body I picked up was a 57 Ford Ranchero. I think this is another Flintstone body. Comes with the bed insert and the tailgate, and you're supposed to use the yeah, there's quite a little bit of cleanup to do on it. Moldings and stuff look pretty good. It'll be a little bit of work, but I like Rancheros and El Caminos, and I really don't have a 57 Ranchero, so that uses the Revell 57 Ford kit. I have several of the wagons in my stash, so one of the 57 wagons will be my donor kit for this. So I got that. And another resin body, I just thought this was cool, is the 53 Hudson Hornet wagon. And I just thought this was cool. I'm just kind of weird like that, I guess. This one uses the Mobius 53 Hudson Hornet kit. So, yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to doing something with this one. So, got that. And then I picked up some other little resin things just to play around with in the $2, $5 bin. Let's see, which one I'll show you first here. How about this one? Franken Toad. I just thought that was kind of weird. I liked it. So I could have some fun painting this one up. So that should be some fun. Found this fella. I like Mercury's 49, 50, 51 Mercs. And I thought this would be a bit of fun to do. So Get that cleaned up and painted. Something to play around with. Got a Yoda head. Yeah. I don't know. I try to talk like Yoda, but I'll sound like an idiot. You know, I don't want to sound like an idiot ever, right? Anyway, there's a Yoda head. I kind of have an idea for this. I'll see how that pans out. A big boy. Yeah, this one's not very big. This is a little big boy. Kind of got an idea for this. More of a diorama thing. We got that. And Mars Attacks. Yeah, I picked this up. This should be some fun. Yeah. Yeah, I like that movie. I actually have a figure kit for this, for the Martian. So maybe I'll do something with this and do it next to it or something. Well, there's that. And let's think, there's one more thing. I got this. I'm not sure how to display it when I do it. It can sit on its head like this and I guess look like it's dead. Or you could maybe make a stand for it, do him like this. He looks like he's stressed out. But yeah, it's a bent rod, piston with a bent rod. Kind of like how I feel most of the time. Yep. So this ought to be some fun. Just some weird fun stuff to play around with. And that was it. I even came home with money left over. I don't know how I did that. I kind of missed some of the accessories tables. I was going to look at some photo etch things and everything, and somehow I just totally missed it all. There's just so much going on. So anyway, that's pretty much that. So I guess I'll sign out of here. Let everybody know if they want one of my shop cards. Again, you like junk mail, you know, drop me a note at Skip-O-Matic's modelmania@gmail.com with your mailing address and say, hey Skip, send me some of that junk mail. I want one of those stupid cards. And I'll send you one of these. And appreciate everybody watching, and you know, everybody at ACME. I had a great time meeting people, and a lot of great people. So looking forward to next year. So again, everybody, thanks for stopping by and listening to my nonsense and my stupid stuff. And till next time, we'll catch you later.